in Chicago at this is the start of the Chicago Riverwalk. Yeah. Bunch of murals here showing different stuff. Oh, the Chicago Fire. This is just old history stuff. Like the Illinois, I guess. That's cool. Dyeing the river green, which they're not doing today. What they were going to do. Yeah, I think you're right. The river is really green already. Let's get over here closer to it. Today was going to be the day they dyed the river green for St. Patty's Day, but they postponed it or canceled it or whatever. It's really green already. The Chicago River. This is the Riverwalk. Let's go check it out. Somewhere up through here. I don't know if that's it right there. Yeah, that's it. Trump International Hotel. Got his name on it. So we'll get closer and check out the president's building.
Whatever it seems pretty green to me.
It's real green, isn't it? Like abnormally green. I guess they dye it puke green or something, but it's already crazy green. It's a cool view. Let's get closer up here and check out the Trump building. Now we're about up on it. The building there in the center is the Trump International Hotel. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Guess everybody was ready to party and then they canceled it, so everybody's still gonna party. There it is. His name right on the side. Like some movie super villain.
Yeah.
Straight out of Austin Powers or something. It's real cool.
That's how they think of it. There's the NBC News building in Chicago.
Oh yeah?
That's pretty cool.
NBC building. I'm not sure what those buildings are. We crossed over to the other side of the already green river. We may be able to get inside. I think there's shops and stuff in there. There's a hotel we won't be able to afford to stay at. Alright, we're about there if we can figure out how to get in. I think we're on the right level of sidewalk though. Jean-Baptiste Point de Sable, founder of Chicago. And the Wrigley building, I think. And then that's the Trump building. And across the road. get over there somehow. There it is. Looks like it's closed. The bottom level is where the shops were or are. Looks like it's closed. It's kind of early in the morning too. Trump. And that building, though, well, kind of honeycomb looking building. These apartments. The bottom part's the parking garage where people park. I don't know what the building's called. Alright, let's get over there, maybe. Try to anyway. We're inside just walking around the hotel. Unless we get kicked out. Well, we came in. There was nothing to do. The shops were closed. It's cool. Alright, that's it for the Trump building. Let's go find something else to do.